Let's correct your sprite's draw order. Feel free to download the assets I used in the description. Here's what we have so far. Click your game scene, expand ordering. Check Y sort enabled. Click your player, expand ordering. Enable Y sort. Set Z index to 1. Let's create a static object. Add static body 2D node. Change the name as you see fit. Add sprite 2D node. Drag the sprite you wish to use. Create collision shape 2D. Let's drag the scarecrow to a suitable area. Enable Y sort and change Z index. Set your collision shape and adjust position. Hit play to check. As you can see, Y sorting is working. However, the sort has delays. That's because the sprite's origin point is set to center. To fix this, reset your collisions transform. Click your sprite 2D. Adjust the offset values to your liking. Scarecrow, done. Hit play to check. The sprite is sorting, but now it's too early. Let's fix the player. Open player scene. Reset transform and modify sprite offset. Save your player scene. Hit play to check one more time. Object sorting, noise. Let's fix the terrain sorting next. Click your tilemap. Enable sorting. You will get an error once enabled. Close the window and expand layers. Enable Y sort on your chosen layer. Set Z index to 1. Click tileset. Click your sprite sheet. Select frame. Expand rendering. Update your texture origin values. Go to paint. Go to your physics layer. Update your collisions. If you want to make quick levels like I used in this video, click the thumbnail on the screen. Like and follow for more. Bye!